Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to share this classic traditional Indian makeup look which you can wear with any traditional outfit. And the best part is I have not used any eyeshadow palette for this makeup look. So yeah, if you would like to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. So first of all, I'm taking this Crystal Micro Essence from L'Oreal Paris and I'm patting this all over my face. Then I am moisturizing my skin using the Morning Nectar Moisturizer from Biotique. And I'm just putting this all over my face. And for the primer, I used After Shaving Balm from Nivea and letting it sit for a couple of minutes before moving on to the foundation. So for foundation, I used Lakme Perfect Cover Foundation in the shade W320. And I drew random stripes all over my face and then used my damp beauty blender to blend that into my skin. This beauty blender is from Blue Heaven Cosmetics. This foundation gives light to medium coverage and I love the finish of this foundation. It looks very skin-like. All the products that I'm using will be listed in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And then I moved on to concealer and I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. I'm putting this underneath my eyes, forehead, chin and nose. And here I'm just blending everything out with my damp beauty blender all over the areas that we concealed and highlighted. And then taking Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder and I'm just setting my under eyes using that. To set the rest of my face, I'm taking the Stay Matte powder from Rimmel London and I'm applying that all over my face. Once all of that was set, I moved on to brows. I'm using Makeup Revolution Mono Eyeshadow in the shade Delicious. And I'm just filling in the gaps and making sure they look as neat as possible. Then I took the Sugar Contour Palette and this is in the shade 01 and I'm using that to contour my face. Then I took a blending brush and I am running the same Sugar Contour Powder onto the crease of my eyes. Then taking Blue Heaven Diamond Blush in the shade 505 and I'm applying that onto my eyelids. I love using this blush as an eyeshadow. For blush, I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Deep Wine and I'm applying that onto the apples of my cheeks. Then I'm taking Blue Heaven Liquid Liner and I'm drawing my wing liner. And I'm making sure that the thickness of liners of both the eyes is as similar as possible. Then I took the same contour powder and I applied that onto my lower lash line. Then I took Sugar Highlighter Palette in the shade Champagne Champion and I'm applying that onto the tops of my cheeks. Also highlighting the tip of my nose, inner corners of my eyes and brow bone. For lipstick, I took Nicka K liquid lipstick in the shade Turkish Rose and it's such a nice pinky nude lipstick. I love this shade. And then I went in with this nude eyeliner from Essence and I just lined my lower waterline with that. I wanted this to be quite soft looking, that's why I used nude eyeliner instead of black. And then finishing off the eyes, I'm just adding Hyper Curl Mascara from Maybelline onto my top lashes. And then I wore earrings and then applying the same mascara onto my lower lashes. And that, you guys, is the final look. I did added false lashes off camera towards the outer part of the eyes. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I'm on Instagram, so please don't forget to follow me on there. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.